Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 1, verses 1 to 54, 1, Adam, Seth, Enosh, 2 Kenan, Mahalalel, Jared, 3 Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, 4 Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. 5 the sons of Japheth, Gomer, Magog, Maddah, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. 6 the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, Dipheth, and Togarmah. 7 the sons of Javan, Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Rodanim. 8 the sons of Ham, Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. 9 the sons of Cush, Seba, Havilah, Sabda, Rama, Sabteka. The sons of Rama, Sheba, and Dedan. 10 Cush became the father of Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. 11 Mizraim became the father of Ludim, Ganimim, Laabim, Nephtuim. 12 Pathrusim, Casluhim, where the Philistines came from, and Caphtorim. 13 Canaan became the father of Sidon, his firstborn. Het. 14 the Jebusite, the Amorite, the Girgashite. 15 the Hivite, the Archite, the Sinite. 16 the Arvadite, the Zemarite, and the Hamathite. 17 the sons of Shem, Elam, Ashur, Arpachshad, Lud, Aram, Uz, Hul, Gether, and Meshech. 18 Arpachshad became the father of Shelah, and Shelah became the father of Eber. 19 to Eber were born 2 sons. The name of the one was Peleg, for in his days the earth was divided, and his brother's name was Joktan. 20 Joktan became the father of Almadad, Shelef, Hazarmath, Cher. 21 Hadoram, Uzzah, Dikla. 22 Ebal, Abimael, Sheba. 23 Ophir, Havilah, and Jabab. All these were the sons of Joktan. 24 Shem, Arpachshad, Shelah. 25 Eber, Peleg, Ru. 26 Serug, Nar, Terah. 27 Abram, also called Abraham. 28 the sons of Abraham, Isaac and Ishmael. 29 these are their generations. The firstborn of Ishmael, Nebaioth. Then Kedar, Adbeel, Mibsam. 30 Mishma, Duma, Massa, Hadid, Tema. 31 Jeter, Naphish, and Kedemah. These are the sons of Ishmael. 32 the sons of Keturah, Abraham's concubine. She bore Zimran, Jokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak, and Shuah. The sons of Jokshan, Sheba, and Dedan. 33 the sons of Midian, Ephah, Epher, Hanek, Abida, and Eldah. All these were the sons of Keturah. 34 Abraham became the father of Isaac. The sons of Isaac, Esau and Israel. 35 the sons of Esau, Eliphaz, Reuel, Jush, Jalon, and Korah. 36 the sons of Eliphaz, Tung, Omar, Zephi, Gatam, Kenaz, Temnah, and Amalek. 37 the sons of Reuel, Nahath, Zerah, Shammah, and Mizah. 38 the sons of Seir, Lotan, Shobal, Zebeon, Anna, Disan, Ezer, and Dishan. 39 the sons of Lotan, Hori, and Homam. And Timnah was Lotan's sister. 40 the sons of Shobal, Eliam, Manahath, Ebal, Shephi, and Onam. The sons of Zebeon, Aya and Anna. 41 the son of Anna, Disan. The sons of Disan, Hamran, Eshpan, Ithran, and Sharon. 42 the sons of Ezer, Bilhan, Zavan, and Yakan. The sons of Dishan, Uz and Aaron. 43 Now these are the kings who reigned in the land of Edom, before any king reigned over the children of Israel. Bela, the son of Beer, and the name of his city was Dinhabah. 44 Bela died, and Jobab the son of Zerah of Bozrah reigned in his place. 45 Jabab died, and Husham of the land of the Temanites reigned in his place. 46 Husham died, and Hadad the son of Bedad, who struck Midian in the field of Moab, reigned in his place. And the name of his city was Avith. 47 Hadad died, and Salma of Masrekah reigned in his place. 48 Samlah died, and Shaul of Rehoboth by the river reigned in his place. 49 Shaul died, and Baal-Hanan the son of Akbor reigned in his place. 50 Baal-Hanan died, and Hadad reigned in his place. And the name of his city was Pai. His wife's name was Mehetabel, the daughter of Matred, the daughter of Mezahab. 51 Then Hadad died. The chiefs of Edom were Chief Timnah, Chief Eliah, Chief Jetheth. 52 Chief Oholibamah, Chief Elah, Chief Pinion. 53 Chief Kenaz, Chief Tmen, Chief Mibzer. 54 Chief Magdiel, and Chief Iram. These are the chiefs of Edom. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, Chapter 1, verses 1 to 54. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.